Hello, terima kasih telah menonton. In this video, we delve into the details of the 2 € coin, minted in 2014 for Latvia. The presentation provides viewers with a thorough examination of the coin's design, significance, and the historical context of its introduction into the Eurozone, emphasizing Latvia's unique cultural elements. The video showcases the artistic features of the coin, including its imagery and inscriptions. The video also discusses the coin's role in the broader narrative of Latvia's economic integration with the European Union, especially following its adoption of the euro in 2014. Additionally, viewers learn about the coin's physical characteristics, such as its material, size, and minting process. Overall, the video offers an insightful exploration of a seemingly simple currency piece, unveiling its rich background and importance to Latvian national identity. Highlights: unique design. The coin features an intricate design reflecting Latvia's culture. Historical significance: marks Latvia's adoption of the euro on January 1, 2014. Physical characteristics: made of copper-coated steel, weighing 3.06 grams. Symbolic imagery: the reverse side illustrates the national emblem of Latvia. Economic integration: represents Latvia's integration into the European Union. Collectability: discusses the coin's value to collectors and its minting quantity. Future of currency: considers the coin's relevance in a digital economy. Key insights: cultural representation. The 2 € coin is not merely currency. It encapsulates Latvia's national identity and pride. The design elements signify important aspects of Latvian heritage, which fosters a sense of belonging and connection among Latvians, both at home and abroad. The coin serves as a tangible reminder of Latvia's journey towards independence and its growth as a nation within the EU. Adoption of the euro. Latvia's transition to the euro in 2014 was a landmark event in its economic history. The 2 € coin symbolizes this pivotal moment, illustrating the country's commitment to European unity and economic stability. By adopting the euro, Latvia aimed to enhance its economic prospects, attract foreign investment, and provide a stable currency for its citizens. Material and minting process. Understanding the physical characteristics of the coin is crucial for collectors and enthusiasts. Made from copper-coated steel, the coin is designed for durability and wear resistance. The minting process involves precision and care, ensuring that each coin meets strict quality standards. This aspect adds to its value, both as a currency and as a collectible item. Global currency impact. The introduction of coins like the 2 € impacts not just local economies but also global markets. As countries adopt the euro, they become part of a larger economic framework, which can lead to increased trade opportunities and economic growth. The 2 € coin serves as a small, yet significant piece of this vast economic puzzle. Collector's value. Beyond its face value, the 2 € coin holds significant appeal for collectors. Limited mintages and unique designs can increase the coin's desirability. In the numismatic community, collectors often seek these coins, not just for their monetary value, but also for their historical and cultural importance, making them valuable additions to personal collections. Digital economy context. In an era increasingly dominated by digital transactions, the relevance of physical coins like the 2 € is often questioned. However, their existence still plays a crucial role in everyday transactions for many people. The coin serves as a bridge between traditional currency and the evolving digital landscape, reminding us of the importance of physical money in fostering economic interactions. Future of euro coins. Looking ahead, the future of the 2 € coin and its counterparts will depend on economic trends, consumer behavior, and the evolving nature of currency. Discussions around phasing out smaller denomination coins are ongoing in many Eurozone countries, including Latvia. This presents a unique opportunity for policymakers to consider the implications of such changes on both the economy and cultural identity. In conclusion, terima kasih telah menonton. The exploration of the 2 € coin minted in Latvia in 2014 reveals a wealth of information about its cultural significance, economic implications, and its role in the historical narrative of Latvia's journey towards European integration. The video encapsulates not only the technical aspects of the coin, but also the emotional and historical weight it carries for the people of Latvia. As viewers reflect on the information presented, they gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of currency and its ability to tell stories of nations and their histories. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to my channel Coins Dictionary 8 subscribe, like, share, comment and subscribe.